Before we start, let me ask you if you know what day April 8th is. How about December 25th, February 14th, October 31st? How about today, October 2nd? My name is Reverend Hirosato Yoshida, and I am a sotozen priest. If this is your first time, thank you for coming by. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. In this little series, I'll be going over our founder, Shakyamuni Buddha's life and his teaching. In this video, I'll be talking about the 4 sites, which you could say the beginning of Buddhism. Now, let's get back to the question. December 25th is Christmas. February 14 is Valentine's Day. October 31st is Halloween, and I'm sure you all got that right. But how about October 2nd? Today. Yes, it's my birthday. So thank you for your birthday wishes. But lastly, most importantly, April 8th is Shakyamuni Buddha's birthday. Today, I want to share with you the story of our founder, Shakyamuni Buddha's birth. About 2,500 years ago in northern India, a boy by the name of Siddhartha Gautama was born on April 8th as the prince of the Shaka clan. It was a tradition for the mother to give birth in her homeland. On that journey to her homeland, Maya, Siddhartha's mother, was forced to give birth on the way while they were passing through the Lumbini garden. After seeing her son, she named her son Siddhartha, one who achieves his aim. It is said that 7 days after birth, Maya had passed away. Siddhartha's father, King Suddhodana, was told that this boy would be a great ruler of the world if he stayed home, or a universal spiritual leader if he left home. Hearing that, King Suddhodana gave Siddhartha everything he needed so that he would not have to leave home. At the age of 16, he married Yashodhara. They lived happily as a young couple raised by his father, Suddhodana, to be the ruler of the Shaka clan. At the age of 29, they had their first son, Rafla. Teachings say that one day Siddhartha headed out of the castle and saw the reality of the world through the 4 different gates in the castle. Through these gates, he witnessed the reality of this world. He first witnessed old age when passing the first gate. He was accompanied by his charioteer, Channa. So the story goes, Siddhartha asked, what has happened to that person, all wrinkled and thin and so unbearable to see? Channa explained that this is called old age. We all eventually go through this change in life, that everyone will eventually age. They continued their journey, and then he saw someone sick. He asked again, what happened to this person? Why is he so ugly and suffering? Again, Channa explained to the prince that this is called illness, and we suffer from the pain of the illness. They continued the journey. They came across a group of people carrying a person who was covered in flowers. Around the corpse, the family and friends were crying and weeping. Siddhartha asked, why are these people crying and the person they are gathering not moving? Channa explained, Prince, everyone eventually will die. Death is a state where the individual leaves this world forever. Siddhartha could not understand any of these as they were so new to his concept. Growing up in the castle with all the comfort and luxurious life without having any problem maintaining basic needs, aging, illness, and death was something that had not been in his consideration and hidden by his father. As Siddhartha had so much to absorb and trying to straighten out his understanding, they came across an ascetic who had devoted himself to finding the cause of human suffering. He wanted to know if there was a way or an answer to relieving or escaping this painful reality and the cause of suffering itself. Now, can you imagine yourself leaving everything from wealth, fame, basic needs, family, and responsibility behind just so that you can go and begin your aesthetic practice? How did Siddhartha convey his thoughts to his family? In the next episode, I will explain what Siddhartha decided to do, the conflict he had about persuading his father so that he can take a different path, and the dilemma of having to leave his beloved wife and son for his own sake. If you found this video to be helpful and in any way, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more of these content. I will also have a link down below where you can make a donation to my temple. Please consider making a donation. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you at the next video or the episode. Thank you.